Granite versus wood. Which countertop is better? Dear friends, choosing the right countertop can completely change the look and functionality of your kitchen. Two popular options homeowners often compare are granite and wood. But which one is actually better for your space? Let's break it down. Granite countertops are known for their durability and natural beauty. Each slab is unique, with rich patterns and colors that add a premium feel to any kitchen. Granite is heat-resistant and highly scratch-resistant, making it ideal for heavy cooking areas. On the other hand, wood countertops bring warmth and a natural charm that stone simply can't match. They create a cozy, inviting look and work especially well in farmhouse or modern rustic kitchens. Plus, wood surfaces are softer, which can be gentler on dishes. However, maintenance is where the difference becomes clear. Granite requires periodic sealing but is generally low maintenance and resistant to stains. Wood, on the other hand, needs regular oiling and can be prone to scratches, stains, and water damage if not properly cared for. Cost is another factor. Granite tends to be more expensive up front, but it offers long-term value due to its durability. Wood can be more budget-friendly initially but may require more upkeep over time. So, which is better? If you want durability and low maintenance, granite wins. But if you prefer warmth and character, wood might be your perfect choice. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.